Is North Korea's artillery a game-changer for Russia? The recent trip to North Korea by Defense Minister Shoigu of the Russian Federation can be regarded as very eye-opening. On many occasions, Shoigu was full of praise for North Korea's armaments. It is almost obvious that next, the two countries will most likely carry out military cooperation in some fields. Simply put, Russia may import North Korean armaments. Then, many people feel very puzzled. North Korea, a country that has not yet achieved full food for all, is only about 1/139th of Russia in terms of territory. How can it aid Russia? Of course, looking at the GDP figures, North Korea is considered a relatively backward country in terms of total volume and per capita. All priority is given to the military. For many years, North Korea has always been the country with the highest proportion of military expenditure in the world. The ratio of population to army has also ranked number 1 in the world for a long time, 22:1. Looking at it this way, the life of North Koreans is generally difficult, and there is not always enough food. In addition to the isolation and continuous natural disasters in the international community, it may also have a lot to do with the influence of military politics. Money is used to prioritize military development. Everyone is going to join the army. However, although North Korea has spent 12% of its strength in military affairs, compared with China, due to its limited strength, it is still unable to develop all-round development of sea, land, air and space networks like ours. Therefore, we can see that most of the most powerful things in North Korea are concentrated in the army. The North Korean army is best at its artillery power. In terms of scale, it can even rank among the top 3 in the world. In addition to the intercontinental ballistic missiles designed to scare the United States, this artillery force is mainly conventional artillery that wins by quantity, especially long-range rocket launchers. According to the recent U.S. media rankings of rockets from various countries, North Korea occupies 2 of the top 5. This also shows the extraordinary strength of North Korea's artillery. For example, it is reported on the internet that the KN-25 missile North Korea wants to export to Russia is not a missile but a large long-range rocket launcher with a caliber of 600 mm and a range of 400 km. As long as it is used properly, it is as powerful as a missile, but its launch cost is roughly only about 1/10 of a missile's. To talk about the power of this KN-25 super large caliber rocket launcher, the American Military Watch website once ranked it as the second highest in the world, second only to the PHL-16 long-range rocket launcher of a certain Eastern power. The experts in the United States concluded after speculation that the KN-25 blurred the concepts of long-range rocket launchers and ballistic missiles. In the copy guide mode, the strike accuracy is comparable to that of tactical missiles, which can be used for surface killing or point killing. In addition, North Korean artillery is almost of the same origin as Russia in terms of technology and tactics. They all pursue powerful, long-range, and saturated strikes, but they don't pay much attention to accuracy. Therefore, Russia uses a train to pull it from the Far East, and it can be used with a little training, and it is also very suitable for the Army's attrition war mode on the Russian-Ukrainian battlefield today. Of course, Russia did not come empty-handed. Its surplus energy, food and fertilizers are exactly what North Korea urgently needs. Therefore, it now appears that in view of such a high degree of complementarity, the means of trade between Russia and the DPRK is likely to be in the form of barter to avoid dollar transactions as much as possible. Thanks for watching.